Okay, here we're going to try number 5. It says solve the system. Y equals 2x plus 2 and 3x plus 2y equals 44. We notice we have 1 in slope intercept and 1 in standard. And I think if we go back to what we saw before, when there's 1 in slope intercept and 1 in standard, we tend to use substitution. So we're going to use substitution. The new equation involves taking this y value, which is now equal to 2x plus 2, and substituting that in for y. So our new equation will say 3x plus 2 parentheses 2x plus 2 is equal to 44. Alright, so now we distribute that 2, right? And we get 3x plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 44 because we multiplied both terms within the parentheses. Alright, so then we're going to combine like terms. Oh, I predicted it correctly. 3x plus 4x, so we're going to combine like terms on both sides, and that's going to get us 7x plus 4 is equal to 44. And we'll subtract 4 from both sides, naturally. And that gets us 7. X is equal to 40. And then we'll divide by 7 on both sides. And that will get us, I don't know, 40 divided by 7. Let's see, Desmos, what you got? 40 divided by 7 is 5.71428. Crazy thing when you divide by 7. It's kind of a neat thing that almost nobody knows. All numbers, when you divide them by 7, they make this pattern of 571428, 571428, 571. They do it infinitely. All numbers do that exact pattern, 571428, infinitely. 71428. It's really crazy. You'll notice that in other numbers. Anyway, what that means is that, of course, x is equal to 5.71428, etc., etc. So we'll substitute that in for x in equation 1. Sorry, pardon me, a little formatting issue. Okay, so we'll go back to equation 1. I'm going to put that crazy weird number in for x in equation 1. So there's equation 1. But now that we know what x is, we don't have to figure out what x is anymore. We're just going to replace x with this beautiful beast, and everything's good. So get rid of the x, replace, and then multiply, of course, by 2, right? Because there's that 2. We've got to multiply that out. So that's going to be y equals, it's going to be 11 point something. But look out for that pattern, because it's going to be another one of these crazy 571428 numbers. Times 2, right? Times 2. 11.428571428. It's wild how the decimal numbers, they always have that same thing going on. So 11.428571428, 571428. It's like one of these mysteries. It's like pi, but way less complicated. It's really cool. Anyway, okay. And then, of course, plus 2. So I bet all of us can do that math. We'll add 2, which gives us y equals 11.428571428. 2, 8, 6, and then I probably should have actually remembered to add the 2 instead of just writing the same number. So instead of 11, it's 13, and that's it. That was easy. Okay. So now our x value is it's this number here. So let's take that number right there. We'll be like, that goes right there, and then this, you know, if everything else has been done correctly, is going to be right there. And we'll check Desmos. We'll see, is it 5.71428 or 13.428571428. We'll see how it's going to work. So we'll put it in, and that's what we're expecting to see in Desmos. So here's our first equation for Desmos. You don't need to be there anymore. You either. And then our second equation for Desmos. And the equations cross at 5.714 and 13.429. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling really good. Good job. Check it out. It's correct. Again. That's a winning streak right there. All right.